Hello and welcome to English class of Standard 12. We were doing summary writing and today we will be doing brainstorming part of summary writing. The first activity of brainstorming is we have to complete as per the instructions. The given instructions are read the passage and write its summary according to the given steps. We have to follow the steps and we have to write the summary of the extract. The extract is communication is a part of our everyday life. We greet one another, smile and frown. Depending on our moods, animals too communicate much to our surprise. Just like us, interaction among animals can be both verbal and non-verbal. Singing is one way in which the animals can interact with one another. Male blackbirds, they often use their melodious songs to catch the attention of the females. These songs are usually rich in notes variations encoding various kinds of messages. Songs are also used to warn and keep off other blackbirds from their territory, usually a place where they dwell and reproduce. Large animals in the ocean sing too, according to the adventurous sailors. Enormous whales groan and grunt, while smaller dolphins and porpoises they produce pings, whistles, and clicks. These sounds are surprisingly received by other mates as far as several hundred kilometers away. So this is the passage which we have to summarize. We begin summary writing in such a way. On top of it we will write summary, then we will write the title. As we have read the passage, it is about singing birds. We will write it singing birds and mammals. Then we will begin the passage like we communicate with one another in different ways. Similarly, animals also communicate. They sing and interact with others of their kind. Male blackbirds, they use their sweet voice to catch the females. These songs vary in notes conveying different messages. The songs they warn other birds, other blackbirds off from their area. Like birds, sea mammals also sing. Big whales they groan and grunt. Dolphins and porpoises they make pings, whistles and clicks. These sounds they reach there who are kilometers away. So this is the summary of the extract which is very short and to the point. Most often we are inefficient in our language and we use more and more words. We should avoid that. That is known as cutting redundant words. Look at the phrases given there and one word used instead of that phrase. Let us see. Circle around, it can be written as circle. Write down, it can be written as write. Added bonus, it can simply be bonus. Get to the point as quickly as possible. We have to write get to the point. Closely, close proximity, it should be written as close. During the course of, only during is enough. So likewise, many words for one word. One word should be written for many words. Here are a few examples of redundant words. Puzzling mystery. Instead of that we can write mystery. Connect together. Write connect. Divide into two equal halves. Divide into halves. Surrounded on all sides. Write surrounded. Return back. Return. So only one word is enough for many words. While writing summary, we should avoid adverbs because unnecessary use of adverbs they will spoil our summary writing. We can write our summary without adverbs. Like for example, that's usually a good thing to do. We can avoid usually. That's a fairly good coffee. That's a good coffee. We can write it like that. I totally agree. We can write I agree. Actually, I disagree. We can write I disagree. So this italicized words, that is slanting words, we can avoid it and these are the adverbs and we can make the sentence without them also in a perfect way. We can make use of one word substitute to write summary. One word substitute are the words that replace a group of words or a full sentence effectively without creating any ambiguity, that is without creating any confusion in the meaning of sentence. The life story of a man written by himself. For this, one word substitute is autobiography. A sound that cannot be heard, we can write the word inaudible. A list of books, we can write the word catalog for it. A sentence whose meaning is unclear. For this, we can write ambiguous word. So in this way, we can write the substitute of these full phrases or these full group of words and reduce the word limit. In this way, we can write the summary. Here is a list of one word substitute, that is a group of words that can be substituted for one word, or a sentence, complete sentence can be replaced for one word. Let's see what they are. Friendly relationship in which people understand well, that is known as rapport. Able to cause death, instead of writing that we can write fatal. Instead of writing seize by the way of penalty, we can write confiscate. Someone who goes into the buildings in order to steal, burglar. The principal character in a play or a story. Instead of that we can write protagonist. The path described by an object moving in the air. Trajectory. A person regarded as a symbol, he can be known as icon. A person who knows many languages, polyglot. A badly behaved child, it can be written for him as brat. A period of 10 years, we can write decade. A persistent increase in the general level of prices, inflation. Organization of supplies and services for many complex operations. Logistics. Extremely careful about details, meticulous. Not harmful or offensive, innocuous. Present, appearing or found everywhere. Ubiquitous. So all these are the one word substitutes for these sentences or for these group of words. In this activity, we will learn the use of noun in apposition. First, we will know what is apposition. Apposition, it is a grammatic construction in which two elements, normally noun phrases, they are placed side by side in the sentence. Here, one element serves to identify the other in a different way. The two elements are said to be in apposition. Apposition, it can be used to make compound sentences short and simple. Now let us see the example. Neha is their eldest child and she is very intelligent. This is a compound sentence. So we can make it short by writing Neha, their eldest child, is very intelligent. Here Neha and their eldest child, they are the same person. So instead of repeating it again and again, it is written in short as Neha, their eldest child, is very intelligent. We can transform the complex sentence into a simple sentence by using phrases like 2-2 or using nouns or phrase instead of a clause. Example is Nagpur is the city where oranges grow. We can write it oranges grow in Nagpur. The old man is so weak that he cannot walk. The old man is too weak to walk. So in this way we can cut down the words. Here in this activity we have to change the following sentences into simple. The first sentence is Mr. Rohit is the member and he is also the director. We can write it Mr. Rohit is the member, and here we have to change he is and write directly also the director. Next one, the room is so small that it cannot accommodate many people. The underlined words are so, that, it, cannot. Now look at the answer. The room is too small to accommodate many people. Likewise, we have to change the sentence into simple. Next one is you have to prove that you are innocent. We can write it you have to prove your innocence. Next one, he was late, so he walked in a great hurry. Being late, he walked in a great hurry. Likewise, we have to change the sentences into simple. This activity 4, here we have to read any book of your choice and you have to write its summary according to the steps explained in the chapter. This will give you a good practice of summary writing. You read a book of your choice and write the summary of that book. The next question is, find some professions that require the skill of summary writing and editing. Which professions they require the skill of summary writing? You have to write down those professions in your notebook. Do the work and complete your books. By now you are very well accustomed with what is summary writing. Take the practice of summary writing by selecting some articles from the newspapers or any book and summarize it. This will give you a good practice of summary writing. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, goodbye. So friends, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video and also to like the video. Thanks for watching.